Host Plus helps you greet your sales customers, putting all the information you need at your fingertips. Search for and create your customer, or simply open your sales appointments for the day. You can quickly view and edit their details, including any notes and contact preferences, so you can ensure everything is up to date. If a customer has a desired vehicle, which could have come from an online inquiry, Stock Search is automatically populated, allowing you to view any pictures or videos of the vehicles available. You can capture, edit and send personalised videos of the chosen vehicle to your customer. Before a test drive, you can upload or take photos of documents such as driving licence details, which will be stored against the customer record. Simply create a test drive declaration, which can be signed straight on your tablet. While the customer is on the test drive, you can use the integrated appraisal apps to value their part exchange. You now have all the information to close the deal, with the option to make a future appointment. Host Plus, welcoming customers, made simple.